लोग सेफ है सच में? इसका जवाब तो मैं भी नहीं जानती, क्योंकि जैसे हम लोग अखबार खोलते हैं ना, रेप, डाउरी सिस्टम, आशिकी, एक तरफा आशिकी भी बड़ी अजीब चीज है। कुछ लोग होते हैं जो जाने देते हैं, और प्यार, मोहब्बत, इश्क का सबसे पहला जो रूल है ना, वो यही है। और शायद प्यार इसी को कहते हैं कि खुद प्यार सेल्फलेसली करो, पर कभी भी प्यार में सेल्फिश मत बनो। लेकिन कुछ लोग होते हैं कि ये याद ही नहीं रखते सेल्फलेस वाला, और सेल्फिश बन जाते, ग्रीडी बन जाते, ऑब्सेस्ड हो जाते। तो मेरी नहीं हुई तो मैं तुम्हें किसी और की होने नहीं दूंगा। वो सीरियल किलर वाली फीलिंग, मतलब इतनी अजीब फीलिंग देती कि हमें पता ही नहीं चलता हम क्या करें। एसिड अटैक, न जाने क्या क्या। क्या हम सच में सेफ है? लॉज है, रूल्स है, लेकिन हम फिर भी अनसेफ है। सोचते हैं कि बस हमें अब सेफ महसूस करना है, लेकिन ये अखबार, ये किस्से हमें महसूस होने ही नहीं देते। अनसेफ तो हमें हर रोज फील होता है, सेफ फील होना चाहते हैं, पर ये जो मन ही मन जो ख्याल चल रहे हैं ना, वो हमें जीने नहीं देते। आरवी सेफ की टैगलाइन बरसों से यही है, और पता नहीं कब तक यही रहेगी। हमें महसूस ये करना है कि वी आर सेफ, बोलना है अपने आप को, बोलते भी है, लेकिन फिर भी ये रेप, मर्डर, एक तरफा आशिकी हमें जीने नहीं देती, हमें चैन नहीं देती, क्योंकि आर वी सेफ हमेशा से एक सवाल था, है और रहेगा।
Are we safe? Read by S. Maria Viswasam. We are safe as sweethearts if you and I are completely alone together. Stay home, stay safe. A nice slogan indeed to save ourselves from the deadly invisible virus. But even being at home, locked in all the time with my better half, is not that safe either. You know, at any time I fear something may suddenly erupt between us like a smoky volcano, often on petty matters like not putting the used tumblers in their place. We are safe as sweethearts if you and I are completely alone together. We are often annoyed when people remind us repeatedly of wearing masks, but now wearing masks has become a habit. We don't feel safer without one on. It's not about your safety that matters here, but that of others in the group. Ironically speaking. Now, as sweethearts, we are looking for a safer place to go and hide, and indeed seriously in search of an ideal one where we could be ourselves without much pretense. If anyone here knows if such place exists without any human intrusion, let's know. And don't tell us there is a heavenly abode when our perishable bodies are laid to eternal rest. Now, thank God, it dawned on me that there must be an ideal place where we can find refuge. Perhaps the only invisible and safe place is those sweethearts that love us dearly but unconditionally. A safe haven indeed. We are safe as sweethearts if you and I are completely alone by ourselves. Thank you.
Are we safe? It's $1 million question actually. I wonder, we wonder, society can surrender, but a girl with endless bruises and endless pointing finger. Why everyone can't raise the issue? Are we safe? No way. Rape, molestation, one-sided love or frustration, dowry or suicide sensation. I wonder, we wonder, society can surrender, but a girl with endless bruises and endless pointing finger. Are we safe? Can we make a society to have peace and satisfied satiety? Then we can make a world where we can say we are safe and loved. I wonder, we wonder society can surrender, but a girl can make a world, and then we can say we are safe.
I know it is a dream in which I live, where world is full of green and the place is green, where all and sundry share a smile from the heart and share their thought, where there is no war of place which is abhorred, a dreamland without caste and discrimination, but with equality and determination, where women are not in a cage, but a land which is safe, a place where we live with our family, animals with their family, and plants all around us can live a peaceful life. Imagination is free, so are the dreams. It soars as high as the waves in the sea. I know this is a dream, but I want this dream. I want this particular dream to come true.
Are we safe? It's still a biggest question in current situation. Everyone are under lack of secure field. First of all is women. Though there are many laws to save women, still women doesn't feel secured in this independent country. Because of some evil people, we are seeing horror murders in news instead of movies. People said this evil was happened because of girls' dress. Truly speak, it was happened because of lack of sex education in schools. In movies also, girls was shown as a sex model. Though India is a developing country, still we need some changes to save women. Don't say men to see the girl as his mother or sister to give respect. Just teach them, be a man, respect women. That's enough. Not only for women, some people mind are filled with a caste which make others feel sad. Students are feeling for the denied of their opportunity by the name of caste. They are worried by the safe of their life. Generally, people are suffering by the scarcity of water, food, etc., which was created by corporate companies just to earn money. Though it was a democratic country, we have to fight for our rights. Rich man feels for the safety of money from the income tax department. Poor man feels for the safety of their family due to debate. Here, no one have peace of mind because they are feeling selfish. So there is a lack of humanity and unity. If there is a humanity and unity in the country, we have secured field. So here, after unity and diversity will not only be in words, but also we prove it by our action. Though there is a caste, community, gender difference, our youngsters have developed many groups to be unity. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.